Hello everybody, welcome back. Omega Giving here on the Omega Solution channel. We're going to give you guys a tutorial on how do you input emojis, custom emojis, into your emails. Because sometimes, I don't know, I was thinking about doing that as like a response to like a sponsor kind of email thing. I'm like, oh, I should put an emoji after my name. That'd be kind of cool. Like, you know, just like a custom emoji. And I looked it up. I couldn't find any solutions, but I found a solution that's not really a emoji. It's more of like you're inserting an image as emoji. So this is actually how you can create emojis. If you did not know, emojis are literally just 32 by 32 pixels. That's all it is. That's what it makes an emoji. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to GIMP really quick, and we're going to make ourselves an emojis to throw into this email to myself. So we're going to go to GIMP, we're going to do new, and we're going to do 32 by 32 image size. What will that be? It's a teeny little box. It's a little teeny little box. That's what you get. So how are we gonna make this emoji? Well, I already have emojis custom made from like Twitch in my old days and stuff like that. So if I go over to let's see, my thumbnail workshop, which is where I store all my stuff, my emoji kind of stuff, I can throw one of my emoji things in. So let's go and throw this emoji in. Now, you're going to see that my formatting is like huge. Like you can see that's the box of my emoji. If I control S, that's going to make it so I can change the sizing. It's huge. So we're just going to minimize this to the teeniest emoji level and then zoom on in. And you can see it's still pretty good sizing, but there's going to be a little complication here that I'll show you. So I'm going to try to get on every corner because we want it on the corners. And, you know, get like nice, good emoji look. Nice, good emoji look. Okay, so now we have it. We're going to press enter, so it resizes it. This is the thing. This is what emoji would look like. It's very pixelated. Now, I'm actually okay with this. I think this is just fine, especially since it's going to be so teeny on the line, like, because it's going to be an image line. That I just think it's fine. So I'm just going to leave it as that. But I accidentally have a background here. So I'm just going to mute the background. It's over on the right here, or, like, if you have the image tab, you just, like, mute the background. So it's a PNG. So we're going to save this as a PNG of Omega given, or actually, whoops, let's not save as. We want to export it. Well, you can't save it, so if you want to edit it in the future, but we're going to export it as Omega given emoji, small, 32 by 32. I don't know, because I do think other formats do support bigger sizes, but the standard emoji is a 32 by 32. So we're going to save that. We're going to save that to, I don't know, somewhere. I'm just going to save it to somewhere because I do have a location for something that's already created. So we're going to save that away, export it, and then now that we have it exported, let's go to our email. All right, what we're going to do to get this in our email is basically I'm just going to do a drag and drop. I think I saved it to my thumbnails folder previously, so I'm going to go to my thumbnails. I think I have, if I just quickly search up in here, Omega given, and it's this teeny little emoji. I'm just going to put that there, and boom, look at that. It's a nice solid 32 by 32 size. I probably can even just put it in line like right there. So I can know, I just think that's like whatever. I know I spelled stuff wrong, but whatever. So that's basically just how you do it. You click send and you got a little emoji thing right next to your stuff. It's a little big, so you can adjust the sizing and such if you want, you know, whatever you want, like small, big, and you know, just customize it to whatever size that you think is perfect for it. And yeah, I don't know, that's just like a quick little tutorial. I just added that to my sponsor email, so it's like, hey, that's my signature. I have my emoji on my thing. That is like that to determine that this email is from me and not somebody else. I don't know. I guess that people could just copy that and just act like they're me. We won't think about that. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, all that kind of stuff, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.